What I hope to gain from this experience is essentially two things. Number one, I think it's a great opportunity to learn from the shared experience of different RGM leaders and a great opportunity to bring the work that we have been doing in our organization on the table. And of course, the second thing for me is that this is a fantastic networking opportunity. It's an opportunity to make new friends, meet new colleagues, and learn from the best.
So far, I'm really enjoying the good balance that we have across the professionals from the RGM industry, but also in terms of providers, solutions. So it's the combination of a good organization and great topics which are being discussed. It's making the event quite beneficial in order to explore not only theory, but also examples in practice of what's happening in the real world.
I was really looking forward to actually learn from other best companies what they do, how they do, and what are the challenges they are facing. I was looking forward to networking, to speaking with other people from the industry, understanding what the challenges are, and maybe even ideating and brainstorming together how we can overcome some challenges, because in the end, the most important conclusion for me so far from this conference, we are not alone in this journey. Many of us are facing similar challenges, so if they are similar, we can pair up and try to solve them together.